Hello everybody, it's Steve Reed and I'm back, and I am starting a new series, and this one is going to be called Discovering God Together. What if God wasn't something you had to do alone? Or inside a box of rules, or even within one religion? What if we did it together? This new series, Discovering God Together, is for everyone. Believers, seekers, spiritual explorers, and even those who say, I don't know what I believe, if I believe anything at all. Here's why I'm doing this. I have come to believe in a God who is all loving, all good, and who does not judge or reject anyone. A God who meets us right where we are. A God who walks with us, not against us. And my journey wasn't simple. I questioned religion, I questioned church, and honestly, I questioned God. This lasted decades of my life and took me down many paths of what I call traditional Christians would have called sin. But what I have found wasn't anger, it wasn't punishment, and it wasn't fear. What I found was love, pure, unshakable love that made room for every question I had and that I still have. I now believe this journey of learning will take the rest of my life, and I want to invite you to do it with me. Please share your thoughts and messages as we go along so we can learn together. In this series, we're going to explore God through conversation, curiosity, honesty, and community. I will mostly be quoting the gospel, as that is what I am most familiar with and where my faith is rooted. However, with your help, I am very willing to look at beliefs from any other system you may believe in. Just let me know. I want this done in a spirit of togetherness, not with a I'm right, you're wrong, but with a let's walk this out together. You don't need to believe what I believe. You don't need to fit a mold. You just need a willingness to explore, and I promise I will keep my willingness open as well. So as we begin this journey, I have a goal, something for you to practice with and work out and see how it works out. May you meet Jesus out there, in creation, in the quiet places, and most importantly, in each other. Go out, interact with somebody new with this open-mindedness that no matter who they are, what they believe, or where they're from, you want to see if you can see some Jesus in them. I think this will be interesting. If this resonates with you, please like it, subscribe, and share. Visit gopwg.com for more resources where I'll have a lot more of this type of information available. And again, I pray you have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, blessed year. You know what? Have a blessed life and go find somebody to share it with. Love you.